Hello, everyone. Today we are taking our next big step in Python by mastering the for loop. Unlike a while loop, which runs based on a condition, a for loop is used to iterate over a sequence, like a list, tuple, dictionary, set, or string. It automates repetitive tasks by moving from one item to the next automatically. Let's look at our first example, where we loop through a list containing apple, banana, and cherry. One of the best things about a for loop is that we don't need to initialize an indexing variable beforehand. Python handles all of that behind the scenes. In this loop, Python takes each item, assigns it to the variable x, and prints it. Verifying the output, we see apple, banana, and cherry printed sequentially, one on each line. Next, strings are also iterable objects. In our second example, we loop through the word banana. Because a string is a sequence of characters, the loop steps through the word letter by letter. Checking the output, we can verify that Python prints each individual letter, B, A, N, and A, one by one, on separate lines. Now let's look at how the break statement behaves inside a for loop. In our third example, we want to stop the loop when we encounter the word banana. Here we print the fruit first and then check our condition. When run, the loop prints apple, prints banana, and then triggers break. So, our verified output is just apple and banana. But watch what happens in our fourth example when we swap the order. This time, we place the condition check and the break statement before the print statement. On the first turn, it prints apple. On the next turn, x becomes banana. The loop matches the condition and breaks before it can print. Verifying this output, we see only apple is printed, showing how crucial the order of your code is. Finally, let's look at the continue statement. Remember, continue doesn't stop the loop. It just skips the current iteration and jumps to the next item. In this code, if x is banana, continue triggers, skipping the print statement below it. Verifying the final output, we see apple and cherry, while banana is completely skipped.